Alright, first we take a panel, lie it on our palm, we cup it, and we take another panel without the tabs. We take another panel without tabs and set it right there next to it. Another one making a T or a cross. Just keeping it in place by cupping it. Now is the time to put the toy in there. Now we get the panel with the Smasher logo on it and tab, and place it in the open space on the side with the tab up. We do the same thing on the other side. Smasher logo, tab up, slide it in place. Now we get the last panel and we slide it in all the way through, and it's complete.